find another spot that Daddy knows of. That shouldn't. Oh, she wants to go to the river. I thought we were gonna go find another waterfall. I thought you want to go look at the waterfall in the mountains.
No.
No.
I'm gonna go to the river.
Well, I guess we're gonna maybe go to the river. I don't know. I don't know if I can get this buckled. There we go. Ugh. Got the tripod, got the kid, got the waterfall, other kid's right there. Here we go. All right. So how'd we get here, guys? Did we bushwhack?
No.
No, what did we do?
Drive.
Ow. Yeah, but how'd we get to the waterfall? We bushwhacked. Right, Andon?
No, we walked.
Yeah. We walked in the bushes. All right, here we go. Use your hand. Got it? Good job. Elodie, close your eyes. Duck your head. Another one. All right, let's wait for Andy. Do you feel tall being in the backpack?
Yeah.
We're waiting. Come on. You're doing good. We'll stay right here.
Okay, move. Yeah.
Where's the centipede?
Yeah.
Well, they're trying to get their dinner.
And water.
And water. That's right.
Where's the ladybug? Help and stop. Stop laughing at me, you're making fun of me.
She's not, she's laughing at Daddy.
Not cool. I don't need help.
All right. It's real steep right here. Whoa.
People here.
Yeah. Good mountain climbing, dude. Woohoo! Told ya.
That's a good slide.
You disappeared in the bushes. All right, there you go. You can let go of my finger now.
Where's the ladybug?
Where's the ladybugs?
Yeah.
I don't know. Here we go. All right, step on that log.
Now what?
Okay, now. Woohoo! What is that?
Lift me up!
See you later. Thanks for the treasure. Just kidding. I'm not gonna leave him. Are we gonna leave Andon?
Yeah.
Nice hair.
Come on, lift her up.
Put your knees up.
Yahoo! Got it.
Got it. All right, here we go.
Can't move it. Well, Mom's down there.
Okay, let me help. Let me get down first, okay?
I think we didn't hike this way.
Yeah, we did. Careful.
Ow.
Grab my arm. Let me grab your belly. Come on, follow me. There you go.
Now let go of me.
Now we're hiking. Now I'm hiking with two kids.
Up, up. Dad, 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 dad.
Back on somewhat of a trail.
What?
Was that fun, Elodie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Waterfall is back behind us. You're right, the water is following us.
No, the waterfall. The waterfall is water.
Hey, you. Hi.
Waterfall.
The final hill. There's our truck right up there. I see it.
That's the way to hike up?
Yep. Actually, this way, right here, buddy.
I'm the leader.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll pull over and wait. This way, right in front of me. What? What, Elodie? I don't know where the ladybugs are, sweetie. There's only one.
This way?
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Whoops. Tree in my way. Whoa, good save, man.
Almost to the truck.
Almost to the road.
Almost to the truck.
Woo! You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Oh, you should never go here ever again.
Why? That was fun.
Because that branch walked me over.
Whew.
We almost made it. We almost
We made it. Whoops. 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 Stepped on his foot. Stepped on his foot. It's not broken though, he's walking. He's walking, folks. We made it. He's grumpy now. He's gonna need a kiss and a hug.